Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how we make our kites here in Trinidad. So to make the kite with paper, you need kite paper, thread, scissors, glue, and I have here clear paper glue. You would need 4 sticks from the coquille broom, and you would need an old piece of cloth to make the tail for the kite. So what you want to do is get your kite paper and measure out the size of kite that you're looking for. Make sure all the sides are the same length. So let's do that. Right, so this is the length of my kite. There's a lot of breeze here, guys. This is the length, the size I want my kite. It's almost a tile big and all are the same length, right? And it's about 12 inches on each side. Now what you want to do is get your coquille sticks. First, what you want to do is take 2 of the coquille sticks, right, and you're going to measure from length to length straight down the center of the square, length to length. And what you want to do is break off the excess pieces off of the coquille. Right, so this is the length here. Right, this is the length that you're working with. And now what you want to do for the other 2 pieces, so for the next part you want to make an arch into the diamond. So you're taking the coquille and measure from one end to the other end to get the arch. Make sure that the coquille is not going over the kite paper, right, and get from each end, and the excess you'll just break off. So from here, just break off the excess. So now you want to take the other coquille broom and measure the same length and just break off the excess from that. So with the pieces of coquille that you just measured out, what you want to do is take the thread and just wrap the 2 lengths, the 2 equal lengths together. This is what you're looking for. Right, now we're going to cut out 4 small pieces from the kite paper, from the excess kite paper. Right, so these are the 4 equal pieces. Oh, breeze. So first what you're gonna do is put some glue on this tiny piece, like so. Take the center branch from the coquille, right, and you're going to take this here and just stick it to the top of the piece. That is to help hold on the coquille. Just like that. Thing with the next side. There is a lot of breeze here, so don't mind my paper weights that I'm using. You're going to do the same thing for the arch as well. Because the bow has so much of flex, I'm just going to add 2 more pieces, a couple more pieces to just secure the bow so it wouldn't pitch out. add a piece to the center. It's like about here, so make sure the stick is in the center of the kite. Right, and I'm just going to add one more piece here just to kind of stick down these two. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Now I'm going to attach the two pieces of thread that you're going to have your twine on, as well as a piece for the tail. This part, what you want to do is bore 2 holes on top, one on each side, and you want to bore 2 holes right here, one on each side. You'll also bore 2 holes down to the end here for the tail. So what you want to do now is pass the thread through the 2 holes. So you're going to put the thread through the holes that you pierce on top of the kite. That's where the arch is. So the kite is flipped over right now. Alright, you're just bringing it through and back out. And give it a good secure knot. What you want to do is measure the length 2 times. So one here, you bring it back, one here, and you add in a little extra to tie as well as for a little loop. So here is where you center, like about 2 or 3 inches extra. What I'm going to do is take the other end of the thread and pass it through the other 2 holes almost to the center of the kite that you punctured earlier. And give it a firm knot. What you want to do now is measure this length out to the other thread, hold that piece, measure the other length to the other side, hold that piece, and you're connecting the 2 pieces that you marked in place. That should be the center of the kite. So what you want to do now is tie those pieces together. Alright, so this is what you're looking for. Right, and you could tell there's the loop, and that's where you could tie your string on to fly the kite with. So for the tail, you'll just pass the thread through and just leave a little loop, and that's where you will tie the tail onto. Right, and this is the loop for the tail. Now to make the tail, I'm just going to cut some long pieces of this pillowcase that I have, just like about 3 long pieces, and I will tie them together and add it to the loop for the tail. Okay, so I went ahead and I attached the tail to the kite, and this is like about 2.5–3 yards. This is very light, so that is why 3 yards. And I also attached the thread to the kite. Right, now let's test it out to see if it will fly.
Lego some. It's flying good, man. Oh.